Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be talking about automatic database backups. It was a super requested feature by many of you. For those of you who haven't heard of it before, it's an extra feature we offer which not only automatically creates daily backups of your app's databases, but also gives you easy ways to perform restores and download available backup copies. If you're not a fan of performing manual backups, or in case you want to focus on other things without worrying about what will happen if you or a member of your team delete an important field in your database by accident during an important campaign you're running, and you simply don't want to waste your time on creating backups daily, then the automatic database backups feature will be the perfect fit for you. Here are just a few points for activating it. The automatic database backups will give you peace of mind that if some content is deleted from your app's database, you can recover it within a few clicks. The feature will definitely save you time, as the backups will be created automatically for you. The download option the feature offers means that you'll be able to download backups locally and review the info they contain. This way you can restore just a specific collection or even a single record and not the entire database. Last but not least, there is restore as well as download history, so you'll be able to keep track of who has performed a restore or downloaded a backup and when. So let's see how the feature can be activated and play a bit with its functionalities. In order to activate it, you of course need to log into your app's dashboard. Here on the left side, you should be able to notice the automatic database backup section. I have already activated the feature some time ago, so when we go there, we see the message saying you have active automatic database backups for your account. However, when you go activate it for the first time, you'll see a different message, and the system will basically ask you to confirm your choice. You'll see information about the feature, the monthly fee, and you'll be asked to type in your password for confirmation. Basically, that's it. Keep in mind that the feature can be activated after your first billing cycle has passed. Or in other words, trial accounts can't use the feature. However, once the trial ends and you add a valid payment method on file, you'll be able to activate it. Also, an important thing to mention is that the automatic database backups feature is per account. This means that once you activate it, it will cover all apps that you manage in your account. No matter if you have 2, 3, 5 or even more, the feature will cover them all. For each one of your apps, the system will be creating a database backup every day. And even the future apps you add at some later stage will be covered as well. Isn't that cool? So once you activate the feature, within 24 hours the first backup will be created. Then every next day the system will create a new backup. The backups will be kept for 30 days back, or in other words, when restoring you'll be able to choose a backup copy from the last 30 days. So let's play around a bit. Once we have activated the feature, when we go to the automatic database backups, the first thing that we see is list. This is the list of the available backup copies. When you go there, you'll be able to see the backup date, you also see the backup size and the status of the backup. You have two options, restore and download. When you are downloading, you just click on the download button and a zipped file is downloaded to your device. You can unzip it and review the information it contains. You can then decide what to do with it. The process of downloading a backup copies is a pretty straightforward one. The restore, on the other hand, can take from a couple of seconds up to a couple of minutes, of course, depending on your app's database. The first thing you need to do is choose the backup you'll be using. You just click on restore, and the system will ask you to type in your password for confirmation. This way you agree that you would like to use this specific backup copy for the restoration. You click on restore my data, and within a couple of seconds the process will start. Once it starts, you just leave it like this so that it completes. Once the restore has been performed, you can go to restore history and check the restores that have been done so far. You see the restore date, then the backup copy used, and the user who has performed the restore. Here is the last one that we just performed. The same goes for the download history. When you go there, you see the date of the download, you see also the backup which has been downloaded, and the user who has performed the download. So that was it about the automatic database backups feature, guys. I'll leave a link to our blog post on the feature in the description of the video so you can check it out. Don't wait and go activate it. It's definitely something worthy of giving a try. As you saw, it's also super easy to activate it and to use its functionalities. Thanks for watching and see you next week, guys. Bye bye!